Welcome back to part 3 of the overhaul of a heritage Whipp and Bourne circuit breaker for a gas power station in the UK. In this final stage, we're going to be going over the testing to see if it's fit and ready for site. Let's get started.
As you watch this time lapse of our test engineer at work, here's a quick run through of what happens during the final test phase of a Whipp and Bourne circuit breaker. We start with a full mechanical inspection, checking every nut, bolt and split pin. Then we run high voltage insulation tests, 5,000 volts, 28,000 volts, and then another 5,000 to make sure there's no electrical leakage. We test how quickly each phase opens and closes, then check the internal wiring with more insulation and flash tests. Contact resistance is measured through each phase to make sure power flows cleanly. We check everything against the wiring schematic, power it up, and run 50 full operations. Settings and clearances are all checked to the Whipp and Bourne standards. We do a 35 kV test across the vacuum bottles, then test the relays, the motor contactor, anti-pumping and spring charge, plus all coil resistances. We finish by recording spring charge times at 85%, 100% and 110% voltage. Once it passes every test, it's ready to go. Safe, reliable and back to work.
And here it is, finally ready for shipment. Our logistics team carefully bubble wraps all the protruding components to keep everything protected during transit. This Whipp and Bourne circuit breaker is now on its way back to the gas power station in the UK, fully tested, safely packed and ready to go back to work. If you enjoyed this series, please leave us a like and then comment below what you'd like to see next. Until next time, see ya.